Racing now, more off-track betting parlors are now available to punters across the island, with a further increase expected by the end of this month. Meanwhile, a 10-race card is set for Saturday at Caymanas Park. 10 new off-track betting parlors operated by different franchises began operation at various locations across the island on Friday. This now takes the total number of off-track betting parlors island-wide to 78, with 30 new OTBs being projected for the end of this month.
It's a part of our efforts to improve the distribution and make the whole business of betting more convenient to our punters. We understand, for example, that there, say, for example, the parish of Portland, there is no OTB. And we think that certainly, as the promoter of horse racing, we need to fix that. And so what we're doing is actually increasing the number of OTBs across the island in order to ensure that our punters are able to conveniently bet, and also for the promoter to generate more revenue to support local racing.
Meanwhile, the Wayne Da Costa trained Dysfunctional is the 6-5 anti-post favorite to land the 6-furlong overnight allowance contest, which takes center stage in the absence of a cup or trophy race on Saturday's 10-race card at Caymanas Park. The 5-year-old Bay Gelding, who made the frame the last 2 times in overnight company, is looking to go one better than he did on August 26, with 6-time champion jockey Omar Walker in the saddle. Dysfunctional should be pressed by the likes of stablemate without exception, Honey Rider, who is going for back-to-back wins, Birdie My Love and Sir Budget. First post is 12:20 p.m. with live coverage of all races on TVJ Sports Network and Hits 92 FM.